iyaqhubeka iphila. Baba babuza ukuthi yini system sayisenza ama-example sekenye system yama-department ukuthi arana kanjani. Ngibona sibuka lokho okugcina nje lo 20 minutes okugcina ngokudana ngempela. Ngicabanga ukuthi ku-more important lokho esizokufunda. Iqiniso ukuthi bazalwana ibandla is about numbers. It's about numbers. Umuntu nje othi akayifunelanga. Umnandi ushumeza abantu abaningi.
Yeah.
Ufuna umnandi.
Ukuphula noqobo.
No. Of course, fame umfundi oshumela abantu abawu-5, umuntu oshumela abantu abawu-100, you will see the difference. And inamba iyayiqinisekisa futhi ukuthi ayicayabona ngizwa kahle ukuthi inkosi ngiyibizile.
Yeah.
That's why it's very much important ukuthi we try by all means ukuthi we dwell entweni yeJesu. Yabona umuntu uthi hayi noma singaze sibe abawu-5 eze bekhothe nevesi le-irrelevant elithi uma babili abathathu ehlangane negama lokho amelo uJesu wayengasho leyo nto leyo nje. Abantu ababili
ekhuluma ngokubuyisana.
Out of context.
Yeah, uyikhuluma ngokubuyisana.
Yes, out of context. So asikwazi ukumana. So ngifuna sibuke, we'll check into administration of members. Siphinde sibuke the administration of visitors, then we'll be done into njalo. So the greatest asset bazalwane kwi-local church is people. Ibandla is not a building, a brand or an event, but it is a community of believers. So uma ufunda ke kwi-scripture ke uzoyithola le nto ku-1 Peter chapter 2 verse la ekhaya kodwa ke ufunda uverse 5 elikhuluma khona ukuthi living stones being built into a spiritual house.
Yeah.
So because the church is people, so people must be intentionally cared for, baziwe, known and stewarded. The church growth, spiritually, relationally, leadership, and even financially, flows from the health and engagement of its members. So it's very much important to know our members. More say intentional about the church growth. Ungcwaba ngisho umuntu ongamazi. Endaweni nje. Ufuna ukwazi uma umfundisi wendawo. Mawuzolethwa nje ukushoniwe lapha kuyabonakala seningena nabazalwane noma nankoza senze masembonge nomusa simuthande sichasile sibandla lase Crossroad Bible Church sizwile ukuthi kunomkhuhlane la ekhaya sizothandaza Nkosi yami sifuna ukuchecka ukuthi yonke into ze right uma ningenayo umfundisi sikhona sinamngcwele mayengekho. Any assistant enifunayo ninayito sinale veni lapha manifuna ukuthuthelwa sikhona. We avail ourselves because we are the church within the community. We want to change the community to the believers. Phila nje phakathi kwabantu. Ingakho kubaleka ufanele kube khona phila bemningi phakathi kwabo. Hlale khona ube accessible bazi ukuthi sinomfundisi wethu la. And then people they will decide ukuthi yazi manje na umuntu esingakhonza kuye. Yes, so it's very much important. So we are intentional entweni yokunakekela. So the key principle we administrate is not about control, it's about care. Yes, ma'am.
Ngicela mfundisi maybe wenabenyanga lapha community church.
Yeah.
The caring part of it. Yes, really community yasizakala. My concern is for a growing church that is just establishing itself if focus, if it's on the need, and the church has nothing to provide, at what point will you say, now we are ready, we are really in the community to help? Because if your congregants are poverty, actually the area is a sea of poverty on its own, and you are attracting so there's this perception of if I'm in this community church, I will get help. And I've seen also umfundisi wethu now where am I now says that is need, but the reality tells you we are not at that point. How do you strike a balance capturing the DNA church that gives, that helps? But at what point? I'm seeing a bit of a danger there of creating that perception.
Okay, I see research. Mangithi, we are the community church. We are based in the community. It's not in particular a demo. Uthi ngizoletha isikwa. Ipoint yokuqala ukunakekela nje availability. Yenu as a church. Availability. With ama resources othothi banawo amakhaya. Availability ukuthi sifikile sizokwenza umkhuleko. Availability ukuthi sifikile sizongcwabela noma sizongcwabisa. Ngale kukhipha, because really the church, you cannot stretch yourself kakhulu ey'ntweni zokusiza umphakathi if amandla engekho. Nathi nje ngicela ukutshela ukuthi hayi kukancane kakhulu ukuthi ungathiwa singawusiza. Siyalekelela, nami ngiyathatha mhlawumbe nami ivini elikolo amanqele ngithi ahambeni bafana niyolekelela lapha. Amandla amaphelele lapha khona. Kwezisikhathi ngithi nginganisiza ngeveni anginawo petrol. Yabona? Amandla amalapha ngikhona ngisiyothandaza. Not ukuyistretcha lokho ukuthi sekufanele nibe nithenga ama-rice no, ukuba khona ukuthi sinebandla la kodwa bakhona ama umphakathi udinga. Engayistraight entweni yokuthi nizozikhathisa bazalwane ahlanganise kushone kwaba wawuxoxela sesazi sakunciphisa ngisho noma umzalwane eshonelwe ebandleni. Sakunciphisa. Sakumisa futhi by the way ukuthi njengoba siyakha akangasibhekela umzalwane eshonelwe umama ukuthi khona esokuletha, cha, sizoba khona thina. Yilapho kuzothi makushone khona yena sizobonakala. Until isikhathi sedlule kwakheni kube khona imali esiyikhiphayo kuthiwa sizolokhuza. But ke sikwenza ukuthi uma sibonile ukuthi hayi kungaba khona imali mhlawumbe hayi treasury ngawukhipha 1,000, kube yisurprise ukuthi thengani gross le ama-basic. Kube yisurprise kodwa engakulindele. Kube yisurprise ukuthi hawu abazali bafike nokuthi kwesikhonza kodwa ngaphandle cha. I-availability yethu eningi kakhulu, because once na umphakathi wawuqala wawukhombisa ukuthi wena niwunikeza nje zonke izinto, vele keze bekholwe bazokwazi ukuthi bakhona abantu abazosiza. But into eningi kakhulu availability to provide emotional support.
Yes.
Banikeze izwi nibathandazele kuphela umncwabo niphinde nizobahlola ukuthi bazalwane silethe umthandazo ukuthi sizomduduza somnqini. Leyo nto inkulu kakhulu kwenza ukuthi umuntu noma ebekade khona emphakathini engenalo ebandla uzokwazi ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ajoyine ibandla. Ningastressi kakhulu, ningastretch kakhulu ey'ntweni in terms of ama-resources. Izonqamuka ngoba kuzoshona kwasibani banamhlanje kushona kwasibani ibandla libe busy kanti aninayo into lokwenza. And ugcina ningabikho fully well established ngenxa yokuthi seninakekela wonke umuntu. Akube umuntu ngaleso sikhathi ngokwesidingo. Kodwa kakhulu into i-availability yebandla ey'ntweni ey'khona emphakathini ukuthi nibe khona. Because anukwazi ukuseva abantu emphakathini kodwa sibe seningabonakali. Hayi ngezinto eziphathekayo. Well, uma kukhona uNkulunkulu anthinta ngakho ngalokho okuphathekayo ukwazi. Ngisho ibandla ngawuthandaza kuthiwa ninamandla ka-10 kg we-rice ulungu uwodwa mfika nawo. Umsebenzi wona lo. amandleni aphela lapho mayengekho futhi fikani nomthandazo nifune nje esitsheni somnikelo sibeka ko 10 rand or 20 rand benimphuma aniphoqo umuntu ngikhulumela kuleyo site enjengaleyo cabanga ukuthi sese right okay so biblical foundation of member administration ikhuluma leaders are accountable for people. Leaders are accountable for people. So the Bible chapter 13 verse 17 is for this the leaders watch over souls. We give an account to God. So you cannot be a leader when you are not accountable for people. So we are accountable for people. So this require knowing who belong to the church. Administration one was njoba sila ubani ongowethu. Bafowethu silwele ukuthi sikhoza nabantu we are not sure of them who belong into this church. So we need to keep accurate records of people who belong to the church. We're maintaining intentional oversight. You cannot give account for people you do not know. You cannot give an account because if abantu ngabazi ukuthi lo belong uyethuka ongcwaba abantu ngabazi umuntu afela abeli kathathu bangqongoze kubo lapha siyaqonqoza la ekhaya sibani bani sedlule emhlabeni bekhonza la ekanti niyamcabanga ubani anikwazi ukumtrace ndawo afanye kwele mabhokweni afela utazi ubani bani member yethu. That's why it's very much important noku check attendance yabazalwane ukuthi sibani bani ukhona uyeza uregula ubani akasezi so that nizokwazi ukunimtrace nimcheck ukuthi is very much important le not nje ukuthi uvela ukuthi umuntu uyamazi kodwa umazi ukuthi ukhonza nawe kodwa umuntu fellowship kufanele bazalwane fellowship kufanele bazi abantu abakhonza nawe and make sure ukuthi vele all those people who are fellowshipping bagcine sebengama members. Because we are moving from crowd to shepherding. People from crowd to what is obedience. Many churches measure success by attendance numbers, but Jesus modeled something deeper. More funda John chapter 10 verse 14. Uthi Jesus uthi I know my sheep and my sheep know me. Uthi zami izimvu ngiyazazi. Ayibona lethi ngiyazazi. But how can you shepherd people that you don't know? So it's very much important in terms of administration yama call. Because a healthy church move from crowd to community, attendance to relationship, gathering to shepherding. The other thing is very much important. So leaders are under shepherds, serving under Christ and chief shepherd. You know that 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 4. Because 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 2, a shepherd the flock, exercising oversight. The oversight requires organization requires administration. Without an organization, there is no administration. Without administration, there is no organization. So why members? Why member administration matters? Number one is so called oversight. Oversight is know who belongs to the church. Was who is belonging to the church. Number two, you clarify pastoral responsibility. You clarify pastoral responsibilities. And in number three is enable accountability. So it's very much important in doing oversight. Then in the care, number two, under the administration of our members, in level service to care, where we have effective records. Effective records allow the church to respond quickly to a crisis. You zoom in. We do have a system, a membership system. Or number one, or reading and pen, we correlate. I'm checking too long. How? Oh, way too long. And under that record, your mood impacted young information your mood. mawukhokha nje nangoba umnyoni ekhokha nje noma sisoma contribution yakhe ifike record nje record secretary isi-admin team yongena kwi-system ukuthi umnyoni ukhokhele 200 rand welokuzayo contribution mazivula iprofile yakho izokuchaza wena njengoba unjani in terms of ama-tithes nanke ama-tithes akho warekhodwa kule nyanga urecord uma sihamba sifuna ukurun i-system singarun i-system yakho yonke first generate system phume yonke iprofile kamnyoni ukuthi usibani wenza njena iminikelo kanjena i-attendance kanjena because if uphela 12 months unga-attendile i-system yakahlela we are no longer belong to that church kanjalo ingakubalulekile ukuthi we make sure ukuthi at least ibakhona simake-attendance yakho ukuthi ukhona. That's the way it's monitored because now we are growing church, we are not a small church. So what's the one? So we make sure we record late with that affairs and we are participating with. So every role to spend money on that. No, as a check and if you say intended member, so your fellowship is of a law, we have feel and your back on is of a system. But again, in your small scale, because it's different to manage about 50, no manage about 200. So about 200 just needs more of a system. It's different to manage membership I stand 30 membership MFV Bangaga, Bawanong Bangaga, Basis Count Bangaga, then alone, that is where so was born on. Oh, yes, as one of them was born one. Oh, said about my fair and no conference in Bregilano. They just push to high normal as well as so full and because these are the people back home. Estella is cowing with embassy to have a bank. Oh, 12 for 15s, I want my I as one police, yes, so it's very much important to manage my members. Ungaba manager ngisho la so that uzokwazi ukurespond quickly uma kune crisis. Leo uzoyidinga leso very much important. So again is to support members during life transition. Siyakwazi ukubona we celebrate ama birthdays, anniversary, milestones. Yabona in our systems yethu siyazi ukuthi usibani uzalwa nini. Systems on its own yakwazi ukusenda happy birthday. Lokho kukhulu ukuphuma nje bandleni lasethu ngithola imessage akasendelwa nawo umfundisi usendele system because the birthday anime wathola ama message aphuma kodwa mutual happy birthday banibane and even in the church we move to that and before kinjalo nje yayithenga ama minutes are very cheap. Last time they gave me 2,000 minutes for 300 rand. 2,000. I can send messages out 2,000. I want 2,000 because of last is for 300 rand. So all those things, if we drop them my prayers, people in the system, they certainly if any select on my members. Well, send the messaging. Even send it all. No matter of send my emails. One can just my email now. Wafa. So if we use a friend, yes, the way you monitor your members. And before it, I can say in solidity where people are known, they feel valued. Lapho labantu abazi fundi bayaziwa but they feel because kufanele noma kuthiwa ibandla libe selikhulu ayibe khona indlela ye point of contact ikamfundisi ngemember ngesystem ethize. This can be through ama cell group noma ama leaders ukuthi nenza kanjani namazone nanezone ethize kube khona indlela ukuthi umfundisi uyakhona ukuxhumana nalabo bantu through i-system ekhona because umuntu nje akekho umuntu nje othanda ukuba sendaweni lapho angarecognize khona lapho engarecognize khona nje vele ukuthi hamba ungabikho. So and again discipleship is very much important. Administration isiza lapha kanjena ke we track the spiritual growth because if in the discipleship we sifuna equip abantu into a spiritual growth, spiritual maturity, then follow up intentional. This one is very much important. Yabona lento sesakhuluma izolo sakhuluma ne follow up team ukuthi iyawa manje imvuselelo. Who's going to take care of these 88 souls asebesindisiwe? Singabala namhlanje bazosindiswa or 40 plus abantu befumulela esifisa ukuthi nokwethu kungalahleki noyena sithi ke thina at least 40% walaba abantu abasindisiwe must remain in the church. Kodwa ngokwethu sifisa 100% ngoba abanye bayasindiswa bedlala, abanye baqinisile noma besindiswa kodwa belahle ukuthi manje ukusindiswa system ayikho. How are we going to keep these people? You spend 50,000 yabantu, 50,000 yemali kodwa imphefumulo ungahlaliswa nowat because there is no system. That's why it's very much important ukuthi this in the discipleship is tracker, spiritual growth, follow up intentional. People sebelokuze ba-divide ukuthi njengoba bewutake nje abawu-5 abakabantu bawu-5 uyabalusa ukuthi ukuphi sinemthandazo uyamnaka uneyinkinga yamWhatsApp umvusa ngevesi ngabo umseduze kwakhe uyambiza nje le outing le nezalo banganabo uyenze manje nabantu abasanda kuphenduka uzani sohlala epark nithenga ama-drink nihlale phansi nixoxe wena ne-team yakho idlala amathathu le team yakhe abantu abawu-5 ubalusileyo. And this thing you follow up in the discipleship, we follow up with kufanele ithathwe at least 52 weeks. Wow. Ushuthi unyaka wonke udiscipleship umuntu. That's why it's very much important sithi one soul, one man, one believer, one soul. Because that's what awudingi ukushumeza umuntu. Ufuna uqede umshumeza uhamba naye. Umdiscipleship azazabe right aphelele. Sumfundise naye usumtrainer wamqede sezononyaka ozayo naye akwazi ukulanda omunye. Afowethu indaba ye-church growth is so simple. Masiba u-20 abandleni definitely sure kulonyaka kufanele siphele siba u-40. If nje ama-systems right siba u-40 ngonyaka ozayo le-40 yaphuma sizoba u-80. Yes, if sizotrain ibandla entweni discipleship sama-system so simple ukusebenza sesisebenzeleke sesibalandeleke ake sigxile kulaba bantu ke sesibalandeleke manje sibafollowishe simuve nabo. And so it will move people from attendance to immaturity. Ati umuntu mase nisuke sa-attend funeka afike ekukhuleni kwayo, and then we're able to identify future leaders through a discipleship. Ibandla limuve manje etholeni abantu asebe-went from kwezinye indawo. Let's train our people. Yes, Adam? Yeah. So effective real life impact, administration saves lives. Effective administration is more than paperwork, it's enabling real-time pastoral care. So it is more than paperwork. Number one, when a member once sent a crisis message, leadership was alerted immediately. The admin team retrieved her address and emergency contact. And I wanted to admin team check no wait. By believer searches her home quickly. Yes. What is a member administration? Member administration is the intentional recording and management of information that helps the church know serve and steward his people effectively. So ke sisuke sazike lapho ukuthi sirecord information yomuntu kunezinto ezi-essential information to collect umuntu ke uma esezoba ingxenye kuma-forms kodwa ngaba yini personal information ukuthi igama lesibongo, i-age noma i-date of birth, i-gender, i-marital status. Andiyabona ibalulekile kwe-gender nokwe-marital status because we want to assign people. Sengene nani lo sizomnika lesilisa ozobaguide lo uganile uzongena kuyilokhu ngabe kune-ministry yama-couples kunabomama siyakwazi ukubona ama-contact numbers, contact information, phone number, email address, physical address, WhatsApp number. Because nansi into ebalulekile awuthi ngisho umzalwane esejoyinile ibandla mhlawumbe wasindiswa esejoyinile ibandla-ke kubalulekile ukuthi nimutshele ngale attend iclass umuntu osindiswayo nazi izifundo zase-CKPM angena kuzo baqeda khona siyamtshela so right-ke sesiyamfaka sokufana nasegruphini asifake yonke into for communication ngalesikhathi nimfaka it can be anytime vele ngakuthi bangesebenza and senibaprepare abazalwane ukuthi kunabazalwane abasha sobafaka egruphini bazojoyina nizokusilinda nisifake bese mina ngiyabamukela mayiqeda ubafaka bese uyakumeeting yasho bazalwane welcome bazalwane bethu sibanibani abangenileyo siyabamukela Crossroad Bible Church. Hayi ibandla lonke lapho yabamukela faka nama-emoji nami ngayekotho moya yayonke uthi azize umuntu wow ngaze ngafika endaweni lo muntu ujwayele WhatsApp womphakathi ngaba ngamanzi kamkholo hayi lokuzala
bamthuke futhi
abantu akayazi ukuthi ukena gidelwe nje ajabulelwe kufaka upopayi abaphisanayo bajabule ahake athi wo ngaze ngafika endaweni la insizwa khona ngimukelekile lapho azothi mayibhala khona ukuthi asekelwe anconywe athole namavesi amna kube mnandi yabo. So this one is very much important later ka WhatsApp sibe let's collect information, emergency information, next of kin relation, emergency contact, all those things like employment, faith journey, ibalulekile salvation status. Wow, but this one more for me, spiritual gift. That one is very much important because you want to see what do you have. It's not the serving capacity, service and capacity, ministry involvement, skills and talents, area of interest. So the outcome of the effective administration. When members administration is done well, number one, people feel known and valued. Pastoral care becomes proactive, reactive. Discipleship becomes intentional. Leaders are developed. Church growth in health, not just numbers. Now, they are chase numbers, not making disciples. Akiba ngishuka amatekisi ayokoleta noma ubani umuntu emgwaqeni afike futhi angabashuma izibwe basindiswa ujabethu imali imedia team uma isikhona izoshaya amavideo ikhiphe izithombe ezimkanje ugcwele ishare bese banegama. If you can check ukuthi laba abantu abagcwele kangaka are they bangama members nebakhe but banile nesiphambano lotho into ebale is just an attendance. For as much as we push numbers, we must have a healthy local church. Yes. The numbers, we need them, but we must know what our numbers are in the sea when they're better. Yes. Because you can't have my numbers, you won't cook no more one of this way. So by the ship, it takes in, Mobasi afford. As well as the law, what has this buffer Jesus to move from community into a local church. Yes. So, ama-key takeaways ke bazalwane ifanele ibambe le. The church is people, not programs. Ngwazi ibandla engabantu not ama-program.
It's people.
Administration is a ministry of care.
Sure.
You cannot run a church and leave the administration behind. Shelile laba ngisaqala ukuthi i-administration ingishaye ibanga elide. Nginabantu abafikayo bedlula behamba. Fika bedlula behamba. Abandleni sine system ethi indawo zikayamshalela ngamkhombisa amanye ama-visitors form. Mayifika nomzalwane lo mukelayo uyazi uyatshela futhi ukuthi siyabingelela bazalwane egameni kaJesu welcome eChrist Kingdom esethi ekhuluma ngombono ukuthi sinani la yini nani athina ama-core values ethu umunye noma ngawuzumbalo uzobona ama-core values ukuthi ayi ngiyangena la mayeseqeda lapho besithi-ke can I check kukhona ngiqala ukuba naye aphamsisane aleso sikhathi ama-ushers ama-strategic point aphethe ama-visitor card namapeni mayiphakamisa isandla sesondele i-usher seseduze nalo uyaphakamisa usethi lo welcome siyabemukela se-collect information uyayiletha eqoqela ukuthi usibanibani wasibanibani ukusindisiweni noma ufuna ukuyela enkosini noma ufuna ukujoyina isonto le ngoba siyabathanda nabajoyina isonto ingakho ama-altar call 502 kufanele kubikwe abantu ababizelwa uJesu bese kuba abantu ababizelwa esontweni bakhona abathanda isonto ukuthi ufuna noba kuba khona useduze kwechibiso umshumayezi yoza siphenduke
Oyoze naye afike.
Angene la John ebali asizumsebenzi uzoba khona la hayi kuneza ama-forms agcwaliswe ingxenye yesonto bese baqale bakhothe information bayaletha kimi the time ngisukuma mina ngiyoshumana senginama-visitors la angijabana sibanike imali hayi mina ngunombuso akutheni kuyaba-ofenda abantu leyo hayi mina sengivele ngisukuma bazalwane siyabonga namhlanje sivizithwe unombuso wakathi siyacela usukume sisasukuma angisho ukusho imali wemali ibandla lenhlangano saphinde savizitha abanye bajabulisa ukuthi wow waze kwamenshonwa igama lami limenshonwa umfundisi emphambili and welcome kuleli bandla. If the church is too big ngiyaniwezele lokho engarecognize umfundisi after athathe lokho thina sikwenza uba siyakhona ukumanage siyabona imali kanye no these 10 people we can manage like quickly u5 minutes ngibawe khame bonke ngiqede seqedile ke simanage amalokuzana ama-visitors sengendlela ukuthi ke i-courtesy team noma i-protocol team isiyazi ukuthi silungisele itafula namakhekhe namajuice masiqede bobona ikhekhe sesibona nomfundi sesiyafika eduzane siyababingelela siyabaxhawula siyabonga kakhulu sibakhona uma kukhona ama-prayers sibonile lapho abanye babhalele sizoxhuma simthandazele sibone sizenjani sesiyehlukanile 5 minutes umfundisi enabo siyasala i-team yabaseva ngakho konke ntambama sebethola ama-SMS siyabonga evela kumfundisi ukuthi ube khona ebandleni lethu siyethemba ukuthi ujabulile uthokoze ngokuba ingxenye siyafisa ukuthi uphinde futhi uze ma ukhona okudingayo noma usizo bafowethu nina nje ninambene emabhenke noma niyendaweni ey'thize noma ucheck imoto ikhona into kuthiwa ama-reviews ibonisa ingane nje manje i-reviews nawe ucaso ukugcina ukubhalwa thina lelonke siyayisho ukuthi hayi mawuthokozile makhona ukuphathe kabi ungaxhumana nalena ukhombisa ukuthi umuntu uyamdinga umuntu uyakuthanda basendaweni lapho arecognize khona so-ke ngithi-ke bazalwane-ke i-shepherding requires knowing the flock sengizangedlula esikhathini ube accurate records enables effective ministry. Good administration reflect the heart of Christ. Mhlawumbe asibuke into ye-member administration system flow. Angithi purpose from kwi-attendance sifuna siyibone le umuntu mayefika nje member uqhamuka kwi-attendance angithi ube kunebhodi ngabe siyabhala from attendance bese kuba kwi-belonging angithi siyazi belong manje e-Red Cross udlule kube kwi-care ngoba awukwazi ukubelonga bese unganakekela. Once you say you belong into this local church, we are going to take care of you. Masiqeda ngokunakekela, you move to a discipleship manje. Ihamba kanjalo nje. Okay?
Yeah.
Attendance, belonging, care, discipleship. Sesihamba naye. Sihamba naye. Kwilokho zakhe. It's very much important. Bese kuba departments involved, senior pastor, kuba ma-usher, kuba administration, membership, cell groups, and pastoral team. It can differ into a structure sebantu umi ikuphi into ekhona yabo. So kuba umfundisi, abantu aba-involved, ama-usher, ne-admin team, bese kuba i-cell group noma pastor whatever la so-connecta komuntu khona. Asikulweleke bafowethu, ingakho ngisho ukuthi i-cell group or i-pastoral team, le pastoral team esibiza ukuthi i-follow-up team, aliki khona kufanele banikholwa lingabhilongi indawo. If we don't have a cell group, they must have i-team esinayo, i-pastoral team, who will make sure ukuthi they take care of lo muntu ngale kweSunday angithi. Because umuntu akwazi ukumsebenza ngeSunday kuphela. Umuntu usetshenzwe iviki lonke. Awubuya ngeSunday umphumela ukusetshenzwa iviki lonke. Whether ulikho kwi-cell group, I believe you know ngana i-cell group, but we need that follow-up team ngoba ngeke kwi-cell group ingekho i-follow-up team. Ngeke akusizwa wena ukuzona lapha number B la uzobhilonga khona. Uma ingafiki uzokwenza kanjani? Yafika. Lapha kwayethu uma umuntu ezoqala amaphilisi, mhlawumbe amaphilisi nje la emshanguzo sifuna kahle noma i-TB, siyabuza ukuthi ekhaya kuphi, athi ena ukwa A eduze kwaseMasikumbane umgwaqo awusho unamba bani. Okay, ubani ohlala naye omethemba esingamthinta, hayi ngihlala ngosibani bani. Okay, ubani nompilo wakho ongathanda azi uyathanda ukwenza nompilo ofuna wazi ngawo, hayi angithanda. Okay, kulungile. Ubani omethemba, hayi nyama yipi inamba yakho ucingo otholakala ku ile eyesibili yipi ile. Ubani esingamthinta abazasithola lo i-system. Mawuphela inyanga wangabuya uyatracewa i-system ke ithi ke before ushaya ilanga lokulanda amaphilisi sizokwenza follow up yini kwambiza la lokho appointment follow up. Usakhumbula yini ukuthi ngomhla ka-13 ilanga lakho ulanda amaphilisi? Yebo ngiyakhumbula. Okay, siphinde simtshe uyakhumbula yini in 2 days ufanele ulanda amaphilisi? Afike simfune lahlekile bese simlinka. Utsho ukuthi simlinka ukuthi ngoba kukude ukuthi uze la sizobona ku6 months wena kodwa kungcono amaphilisi akho athathe kicks. Uright yini? Iphi indawo eseduze noma i-pick up point eseduze? Hayi kukude vele, ngcono ningithumele kwa-Kicks, simthumelele kwakhe awalande khona bese senza sure. Angithi uyabona u-Kicks wokulanda ngithi uyihomselo ukuthi njalo kukhona lapha asizakala khona before abuyeze bangene khona.
It's a laser tracer.
Yeah. So kuyatholakala eduze. So that uhulumeni ke kunama-systems anjani ukuthi if usinabantu abawu-900 abadala, at least 90% yabo asibagcine be-active, 95% asibagcine begcinekile out of 100. We need 95% bekhona. Yebo? Yeah. Okay. So ihamba kanjena ke flow kwezalwane. Number 1, i-call to membership. Liyadingisho yabona lapha sisesontweni sendlulileke ani-organization.
Yeah.
Kusewugcobo kulaba bezenkosini bayasindiswa esijala. Mhlawumbe sizama about siqedile lapho sesifuna ukuya manje ku-manager i-membership. Number 1, sekuyikholi ke manje to i-membership okade ngisho le edinga umfundisi. Bakhona yena abafuna ukwini webafowethu ningayibukeli phasi lento esesiyenza kudala ezayona ithiwa yayisebenza leya hayi azalwane ngulindani akamanwele nami sengibonile ukuthi ngiyazihlanganisa lebandla lamaJerusalem amukela. That was a system as a bangemukela sengibelonga la ebandleni lasemaJerusalem. That's why even the church ukuthi nje uma kukhona abantu abafuna angitshela ukuba manje abathi hayi ngisesengikhona ngiyabelonga kule bandla hayi baphamsizana ama-ushers ethu asemile manje azonikeza i-direction akithi abathatha manje from ma-ushers information capture forms angithi sengene administration from i-administration information capture sekuyi-membership class or pastoral teaching ministry angithi sebengenile manje sekuyi-membership class manje. What is vision of the church? What is expected? Says imnikeleze yonke umuntu uyangena angangeni umuntu abangena akazi ukuthi operate kanjani. People must understand the vision of the church. Database and communication platforms, the administration then databases has small group placement noma cell groups siyaba connect one so contact noma uyakubani ongoing pastoral oversight ama leaders and pastors. That one, because membership is a process, not a moment. If you want to deal.
Oh, yeah.
Simambe lokho kugcina lokho ayibhekile impela ngisafika lo. Bese ngiyafa sekuningi bengikhulumile from 12 bafowethu. The administration of new visitors. This one is very important. Where we are turning first contact into a lasting connection.
First contact
Into a lasting connection.
Yeah.
Because it growth happens through people, you must understand. Because there are two primary ways of ways a local church can grow. Two ways.
Sure.
Musanu Temba, ushumela wenu bese nahlama systems. Number one, ibandla likhula through evangelism when people respond to the gospel. Number two, ibandla likhula by new visitors, people who walk through the church doors.
Sure.
Bandla likhula lezo ndawo zombili nje. Ukuthi nivangelile, ewanisemlazi nje, bantu basindiswa. Abantu bayangenela esontweni. New visitors may be new converts, or believers relocated to kule ndawo yenu. Noma kune members transition from another church. Alo nakubalekile bona nisela nizobamukela abantu abaqhama kumanye ababandla. Nathi basazophuma bekwamanye ababandla.
Yeah.
Kodwa bafowethu ngicela nikwenze ukuthi umuntu mayambile crossroad athi mayambile akhumbule emuva. Athi ngelanga yenu mina ngikareda ngento yodwa nje. Uma ngakufika ukufika lokuthi ahambe kwiChrist kingdom ngiyazi uma yambile uyabuya. Futhi ngibezwa ngisho emzweni ukuthi lo ufuna ukubuya. Bese kuthi abanye ngithi eyinkosi noma ngithanda bebuye isangathi
Singathi maqhubekela phambili. Bakhona kanjalo.
Kodwa bengane imali enkosini baqhubeke nje phambili.
Basabalalisa umbuso.
Babe nakuvakasha mabeyivakashela. Kodwa nje bengabengane because it's not all people esisimali buya babe khona. Kuphela ukuthi uma besagcinekile enkosini.
Yebo.
Lokho kubalulekile.
That's cool statement.
Yeah, uma besagcinekile enkosini ba right. So ke kuyenzeka bese kuba futhi the unchecked individual abadinga ukukholwa. So ibona abantu ke esingababiza bebe ngama visitors because every visitor is a divine opportunity for connection, care and growth. Wazi lokho ukuthi mayizila uzele into elithi for ufuna ukuzoconnect, ufuna ukunakekelwa noma ufuna ukuthi ilapho ke thina makhona isikhathi khona abantu afike lo muntu singabi nankinga nje angarecognize. So what happens after someone visits the determines whether the church experiences irritation or loss, connection or anonymity, growth or missed opportunity. Lezi zinto ezenzakalayo. Uneno biblical foundation for a visitor administration. Une verse lapha elithi ke Izenzo chapter 3 verse 11. They show that when God moves, crowd gathers. However, crowds require organization. Spiritual impact must be supported by practical structure. In ministry of hospitality, it says in Hebrews chapter 13 verse 2, and do not neglect to show hospitality to strangers. It's very much important that you must show your hospitality to strangers. Because if visitor administration ensure that hospitality is intentional, consistent, organized, effective. In reality, it may come, but few remain. Because many churches are experiencing people visits, no one identifies them. Akuphelele ukuthi siyabukela nabasivakeshile inkonzo ibese kuphelela lapha akwazi kuphelela lapha singabikho in contact nalabo bantu. No follow ups happens kuma visitor afowethu i-follow up siyenza umuntu ovisitile simcheck siyathi ngibantu ama message siyafisa mafu simfona siyamfonela because no follow up happens, so they never returned. Because evangelism brings people in, the administration helps people to stay. Where's the ocean? There's a reason abangabavangeli ibandla lomvangeli alikhuli because umvangeli uyaletha kuphela kodwa akakwazi ukugcina. Even nentshumayelo zakhona uthi uma esebabona ukuthi nwake ngibavangele abavangele bangakhulu. But when there's a proper administration, no more but people within the local church, the administration is proper, they will keep the ease of as about Bezjan Bashar. Now, people remain in the church where they feel expected. Umuntu yabo has been leading ukuthi ngizofika. Angabe surprise ufika komuntu. Kube ngathi besimlindele ukuthi uzofika ngithi. And ke umuntu ukuthi ke they feel ukuthi I've been noticed. Nginotice ukuthi ngikhona. Angabe uthi sengikho bekazi unjani ngikho nje. Yabona. And I am welcomed. Ngamukelekile. Ngiyayizwa yona. Uzothi mayekhathanise ukuye Christ Kingdom nase Crossroad athi no manje eCrossroad baphathana kahle kunalela bandla engake ngaya. Ngiyabona ama reviews abhala ukuthi bebhala bathi ngake ngaye bandla ethize kwa1 no 2 no 3 ngaye bandla there's a poor administration la. Special amabandla ekuthini naye abanda yona akwazi ukuphatha kahle abantu lavuthayo. Akwazi ukuphatha abantu. Kuna three major growth barriers ke bazalwane. Barrier number 1, no outreach beyond the church. That is where lapha abantu khona ibandla only depends or rely on internal events. They attract existing believers, not the unchurched. Matthew chapter 28 verse 19 to 20, go and make disciples. Ibandla ke elingaphumi elingenzi lutho elidependa kwabantu abafikayo kuphela alikhuli. Isho ngathi the church growth depends on the visitors and the evangelism. So the healthy church go into community, use outreach invitations and media, intentional create visitor traffic. So le fanele bandla Afowethu i-Great Commission awusoke wa-replace noma ungaze ube nabantu abevizite kwelinye ibandla ikuyi-leadership, strategic leadership sakhona kubhaliwe ukuthi our goal, we have 59 branches, basho bona, but our goal is to reach 100 branches. But right now our goal is to have 30,000 for now members, and most people plan vision 22 is more of outreach. Uthi akubona ama service nje how to kwenye branch ba egedalisha 2,000 people asafuna amanye abantu. No, they are intentional. Athi nje kulo 30 years esinawo, we want to reach 30,000 people, because ibandla fanele kukhona iqiniso libazalwane. Ibandla indlela yokukhula kwebandla, bayangena abanye bayaphuma, makuphuma yedwa angene 10, makuphuma 2 angene 20, ngoba uzoloku kuba ne-stress sebengiphuma ubona nje sengathi manje nebandla phume ngaphandle angosebenza. I-structure salapha kithi indaba ezethu asithe inyanga nenyanga kufanele kube ne-event yokulanda imphefumulo. Like it or not, that's why sino 9 days masuka la sino 9 days ka soul winning next week. So February sesiqedile ngawo besisemlazi sesisebenzile. March next week is yaka. April why noma open a school ministries yakha ngoba sifuna ukubona i-team yami i-ready, i-disabled team i-ready ngalendlela esimanga to capture everyone. Njengamanje every Sunday kubizwa i-roll call, ayakubizwa abantu bazofakwa eklasini kuyasetshenzwa. Sifuna ukubuka ukuthi unyaka uqalile ama-visitors abemanga mangaka ashintshile, u-outreach wathi uphumule bangaka abantu esibawinile enkosini. Asikwazi ukuba sibe yibandla nje elizonesana phakathi. So this one ibandla ke elifuna barrier number 2, unidentified visitors. Ibandla likhuleke lelo eseke ngasho kwathi no one is noticed, no information is collected, no connection is made. I-research ke ikhombisa ukuthi if a visitor attends twice, there is a high likelihood of joining the church. Umuntu kwafika kabili kusho ukuthi konke emduzile useduze lo muntu ajoyine lo manje. Awukwazi ukuvakasha ebandleni kabili. Manje yambona waphindwa kuye sodelana eduze kwakhe lo muntu lowo nje uzomjoyina definitely. Ngoba umuntu ufika kanye engaphinda kuye. Kusho nobe kuyile konke emduzisa sekufanele imnake impela ke. Ikhona. I-barrier number because into ithi a failure to identify is equal to lost opportunity. Barrier number 3, no follow up, no call or message, no prayer with visitors and for visitors, no invitation back, nothing. Without follow up, visitors drift away quickly. We must be intentional about the church growth, because administration bridges the gap between identification and relationship. Very much important. Roles of key ministries, okay? This can be ushers. We do have greeters. Now, what are greeters? Greeters, those people who are leader. One dimension. See, you can't know the one check. I was one of my ministry, my name. Hey, one tomorrow, and Jesus was coming somewhere. Bawe come, bahatis, I'm a jabula now. Again, Mafia will come, Mashas, a hammer now, as we shall this. Those are ministries, because if first impression, he identify my visitors, distribute my forms. That's one. Those was based by administration team, capture and manage data, share the visitors details with follow-up team. Avoid nyayithanda noma ingekho ngicela nikhande follow-up team. Noma unyaka wonke ungaphela nikhande wona, you will see ukuthi ibandla lizolo ngeke bafuna umfundisi noma umfundisi alandelela abazalwane. Follow up team must be there. Must be there. Train them ukuthi kufanele benze njani. So if follow up team in personal contact, prayer encouragement, relationship building. Yeah, bese kwa pastoral team noma master groups njengale la ku recognition of a spiritual care. Before to the outcome of effective visitor administration when system work well. Now this is visitors are feel welcomed and valued. Return visit increase by Abuya. Outreach produces lasting fruit. Visitors transition to members. Leo dienzeka now and again. Church growth become consistency and sustainable. Bafowethu kufanele sazi masikhulekela ukuthi inkosi sicela ukuthi lonyaka usandisela abantu abawu20. Inkosi mayibaletha izobaletha abantu inkosi ezibaphendula. Kodwa izobangenisa kumnyama bese kuba uwe o-apply lezi zinto ukuthi abantu bangene bahlale kahle. Intende mina church growth is not a moment, it is a process.
The process.
So key principle for church workers: every visitor matters. First impression and inspirational opportunity. Warm must be intentional. Follow up must be timely. Systems, support, shepherding, administration in the ministry. Before it same value, this is the last. Visitor administration transform contact into connection, attendance into belonging, outreach into growth. Asiyeke ukubheka abantu abazungukela abantu benamamuzi. Umuntu onamamuzi ongenandaba nje. Funa abantu abanothanda abazozumukelela abantu. Ukugcina nje. Fundisana amakholwa enu. Ukuthi isikhathi sabo sokubona umfundisi noma umfundisi siphakathi neviki. Ayazi ukuba umfundisi noma baze office lakhe. Abaze appointment mangoni Sunday akusona isikhathi sabo. Iholo ukhola na 50 years kodwa safuna njalo awuphela inkonzo manje baba. Angasikhathi senu noma kuyi Sunday ufuna ukubona abantu abasha abavisitile. Nabasalokile ufuna ukubona. Uma umfundisi akanakele ngoba uma umfundisi usegungwe ngabantu abadala kufanele ahambe oyobona abazalwane abamithe abagreat abantu abasha akhulume nabo laba abadala bakhele ithole zenu siyazazi abenimeni kancane malinde kancane uyomwhatsapp wemnandela namba yami uyomwhatsapp noma uyokhuluma nami yekana befundisi banaka abantu abatshela nalabe protocol team ngathi ke cha bafowethu ke niyothatha incwadi namabhayibheli niyombekele ngokuthi makuphuma inkonzo nje mina yayaluza awulabantu yami awusiyabonga ukhona hawu lo kade ngamgcina ukade awusiyabonga uyini umsebenzi wethu lo siphila lokho phela 20 minutes around mina yami imoto iphuma egcineni seyiphuma zonke abatshela umnye ukuthi ake angizofaka umuntu engiphuma emasishane ngizongiphathela amabhayibheli futhi angijuma ngiqeda konzisa bengisukumise nongishushume lutho mina ngibezelwe kubantu afuna ngibabingele la abadala bame kancane ngibone laba abasha noma ubhizi ngapha siyahlukana mayishona ngapha lapho ngishona ngapha sibona laba abantu masibabone ndawonye laba ephuza ijuice sibabona siyabakhuluma because people badinga ukuthi banako sengiqedile ngiyabona